Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss this idiom jump on the bandwagon. Let's look at the meaning of this idiom and use it in sentences. Jump on the bandwagon means to join a popular trend or activity. In Punjabi it means कि ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ trend or activity ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ famous ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਲੋਕ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਾ ਦੇਖੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ follow ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣ then ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ idiom use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. You can also say get on the bandwagon or climb on the bandwagon. Let's look at a few examples. For example, I do not jump on the bandwagon. I wear what I like. It means I do not follow fashion trends. I wear what I like. So instead of saying that I do not follow fashion trends, we can say I do not jump on the bandwagon. Next example is sometimes people do not need things. They jump on the bandwagon and pile up the things. Pile up means cause something to increase in quantity. In Punjabi, it means ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ. The whole sentence means sometimes ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਦੇਖੇ ਦੇਖੇ ਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ. So you can also use this idiom in speaking module and daily conversations to sound like a native speaker. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.